Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Here are the top 8 new biggest changes so far in Apple's iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max, including chipset, design, display, camera, RAM, colors, and more. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Apple's iPhone 18 series lineup has been making news for a planned split launch, with the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max launching alongside the all-new future iPhone Fold in September 2026, while the basic iPhone 18 and iPhone 18e may follow in March 2027. As usual, the rumor mill around the iPhone 18 Pro models is churning fast, with leaks mounting every week. Here we compile what we know so far about the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max, including chipset, design, display, camera, colors, and more. At the heart of the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max will be Apple's next-generation A20 chipset, reportedly built on TSMC's advanced 2nm node and using wafer-level multi-chip module packaging that integrates RAM directly into the processor. This should deliver higher memory bandwidth, lower latency, and better power efficiency. Tech leaker Instant Digital claims the iPhone 18 Pro will switch to an all-new single-tone glass back panel. Recently, a Chinese leaker, Smart Pikachu, added that Apple will introduce under-display Face ID with the iPhone 18 series in 2026, and the first to get it should be the Pro models. The dynamic island on the iPhone 18 Pro models is expected to shrink significantly, but won't vanish completely, as per display expert Ross Young and Mark Gurman of Bloomberg. Display sizes are likely to remain unchanged, 6.3 inches for the iPhone 18 Pro and 6.9 inches for the 18 Pro Max. Major camera upgrades are unlikely after the iPhone 17 series, which moved to a 48-megapixel sensor, but the iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to gain a DSLR-like variable mechanical aperture. Both iPhone 18 Pro models are expected to feature telephoto lenses, with wider apertures for improved low-light photography and sharper images. The rear setup should remain a triple 48-megapixel array, while the front camera could jump to 24 megapixels. RAM increase from 12GB to 16GB is reportedly on the cards, which should result in smoother multitasking and gaming. Leaker Digital Chat Station states that the iPhone 18 Pro Max will be noticeably thicker and heavier than today's flagships, tipping the scales at over 240 grams, and becoming the heaviest iPhone ever made. One of the reasons speculated for the increased weight is a bigger battery under the hood of the Pro Max. As for the color options, the new iPhone 18 Pro models will get coffee, purple, and burgundy shades. Other possible enhancements include Apple's in-house C2 modem, which will be faster and more efficient than the current C1X in the iPhone Air, and satellite 5G support, potentially in partnership with Starlink. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.